Hi guys, I'm in the vlog today because I have not posted in like a few days. Yo! I'm coming! What?
When you do any vlogging, you need to make your bed and clean your room.
Okay. But I don't have to do this stuff. I'm a YouTuber.
Frank, make your bed and clean your room. Hurry.
You see this? It's supposed to be oobleck. Look, I'll rest my hand and it doesn't sink in or leave anything. Let's add water. Look at how beautiful my tripod looks after playing with the oobleck yesterday. Okay, so a little bit of time has passed since the last time I recorded and I made this. It is a Lego fidget cube. The video link is in the description. Okay, here it is. It's like a Lego fidget cube basically. There's a spinny thing and then there's this thing and it goes like that, and then there's the switch right here that you can put up and down. It only stays down though. And then there's this and you can spin it around like that, and then there's this and you can go like that and it's fun. And then there's this part at the bottom and it's really smooth, and there's this happy part at the top and you can like rub it in, it just feels nice. So yeah, thank you for the tripod. Ta-da!
Now we're at minute. I can get home.
Stop!
Oh, it sticks back on though.
So let's go. We have dropped Poppy off and we are almost at gymnastics.
Yeah. I want to do gym, Frankie.
What?
I want to do gym today.
You want to?
My God.
Why? Gymnastics is like the best sport in ever history of ever.
One of the most dangerous. Yeah. And because in gymnastics, there's only 2 turns, so we have to wait for the other person, and it's boring while we wait. But I have fun on the turn.
So why don't you like it?
Because we have to wait for like an hour. No, we don't.
Your class is for an hour.
Excuse me.
No, we have to wait for like 2 minutes.
Bummer.
If you jump constantly, either you run out of brick, you cut any break in between, so that's why it works well.
Yeah, I know.
I know now.
Yeah, I do know. I did know. But it's boring waiting.
Take it off.
Oh, BKB, we're home now. Mom, look. This is the most romantic thing man has ever done. Quit questioning it and enjoy it. Whoa! Alright, I'm going to end the vlog here, so hopefully you did enjoy this episode of Frank Does Stuff. And if you did, please do hit that like button and subscribe button, and I will see you all later. Bye! I'm dizzy. Whoa.